OAS Air Pro unboxing video. Get ready. Open the box and remove all packaging materials. To unfold the wheelchair, hold the handle on the backrest and push forward firmly on the seat cushion. Release armrest. Insert the controller into the mounting pipe. Connect battery with wire and tighten the bolt. The battery is located under the seat for easy removal and installation. When you remove valve beneath controller, you will find a charging port. You can connect adapter to port to charge battery. Press the horn button briefly to turn on the valve. Then press it again to turn it off. Sit on the wheelchair and use the controller to operate it. It features an incredibly tight turning radius, allowing you to navigate with ease in narrow spaces. When not in use, engage both clutch to keep it in brake. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out our products